What's up, buttercups? So you guys are having an amazingly golden day with cherries on top today. My name is Elvis and welcome to the Golden Drive. Excuse me. So I have been thinking about doing an LS swap. I've never done any engine swap before. I almost did one with the Jag that I sold a few months ago, my 1973 Jaguar XJ6, but I sold that car. And so I want to try to do the LS swap with this car, which is my 1982 Datsun 280ZX that I pretty much destroyed and cut up. And yeah, so it's completely stock looking now, but I want to stuff a V8 in the engine bay. So pretty much we are going to go shopping for a new engine, or yeah. So because this one actually runs, this car is just really slow, and I just think that it should match the looks should pretty much match the performance that the car is putting out, if that makes sense. I don't think it does, but oh well. So we're gonna go look pretty much at a salvage yard. There's two places I think we're gonna look at. One of them is called You Pull It, and the other place is called crap, what's it called? It's called Pull Apart, I think. Yeah. I think that's what it's called. So yeah, I'm excited to go check it out. And we're gonna take a Genesis, we're gonna head there, and yeah, we'll see what happens. I've never been to a salvage yard. I literally just heard about this for the first time like maybe a week ago, and I was like, oh, you can pretty much buy an engine completely for like 200 bucks. So but you have to pull it out yourself, hence the name and the business structure. So we're gonna head there now. It's maybe an hour from where I live, and so we'll see what happens. Yeah. Yo! We have a bunch of options for engine swap. LS, that's like honestly my first choice, but I'm still open to any other suggestions. I put a post out on Instagram, which if you're not following me, shameless plug, follow me, but at the Golden Drive. But people said 2JZ, some people said RB26. Okay, so I'm just looking for the most affordable option, pretty much. Yeah, and so because I just want to get a running and driving car for as probably cheaply as possible, but also as reliable as possible. And so I think LS probably falls into that. And today we're just going to be scouting the junkyard. I've seen a few. This is my first time here, and it's just not very organized, honestly. This is You Pull It, and so it's not very organized. So yeah, it's just, and you can't even tell which ones run, which ones don't run. But I have seen some potential candidates though. For example, actually no, that has a carburetor, so that's probably a 350. I'm looking for something that is fuel injected. Oh, let's see, that's a Ram. Some of these trucks, you honestly can't even tell what they are from like afar. Like you have to maybe go to the rear or something, but okay, let's keep looking. The 1500 Chevy, and I think that might be it actually. Oh, it looks like it had a new water pump before it passed away, before the engine got destroyed. But yeah, the problem with this is now I don't know if it ran or if it didn't run. So I'm probably gonna, okay, so we know it was hit from this angle, and so we know that the engine probably still ran because, again, it was probably totaled from this angle. You can kind of see the impact there. But I don't know, first of all, how long this engine has been sitting and if water has gotten into it because, again, that intake tube is open. So, crap. I literally should have brought a wrench so I can like turn the engine, try to turn the engine by hand. See if it works, but yeah, I mean, it doesn't have the transmission, and I want to get like an engine and transmission drop out together, not just the engine. So yeah, it does have the rear end, but that's like a what's it called? One of those with a leaf spring setup. So nope. This. Yeah. Oh god. Yep. Transmission is also gone from this one as well. Son of a biscuit. And this one, the valve covers are also open, so not a good idea. Yep, those are the valve covers right there. Yeah, this place is not honestly very organized. Okay, let's see. That is Tahoe, I think. Ooh, dang, that, yep, nope, that had an engine fire. Definitely not coming with me. Let's see, nope, a lot of Fords. A lot of Fords. Dang, dude. Okay, we'll keep on looking. Nope, carbureted, shoot, not it. Okay, so this is you pull it. I'll probably just, I heard pull apart is more organized than here, so I'm probably gonna go to pull apart to check it out. But yeah, first impressions, a little bit overwhelming, honestly. Let's see, is there any other? Nope, Ford F250, Ranger F150. I don't know what that is, but not an, wait, nope, that's a carbureted son of a biscuit. Okay, yeah, this is not going very well. Let's go to the next location. Just made it to pull apart, and it is way more organized. Look at this. This is so much better than the other place. No, that's not. Again, I'm trying to find any glorious, and that's a Trailblazer, but it's not the XL. So does that have the Vortec? Ooh. No, but that's a 6-cylinder, I think, even though it's a Vortec. So, although it's more organized than the previous lot, yeah, I haven't found anything yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep a monitor out for anytime they have any engines, because you could kind of do that. They can send you notifications. So I'm gonna get that set up, and yeah. Oh my gosh. So now I'm gonna try to see if I can find any more yards, and if not, we'll pretty much just head back home, or yeah. Look on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, guys. So that's pretty much it, guys. I did not find any engine, sadly, or I found some, but they just are not gonna work with my application and what I'm thinking I'm gonna do, because I don't even think the ones that I saw, the V8s that I saw, I don't even think they were running, because they were just out in the open, and the cars have pretty much been sitting there for, I think, over a month. And so yeah, in a normal situation, you pretty much have to, it's like the early bird gets the worm, where you have to go there as soon as the car is posted, and maybe that same day or the day after, pull everything, because if you go there like 2 days after, the car is going to be half dissected. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm probably gonna go another route, because it's so difficult to actually get all the parts and everything, and just get everything in turn, because again, I live like an hour and a half from the salvage yard, and I have a full-time job, so that's also very difficult for me. And so I'm like pretty much to just leave work and just go pull an engine in the middle of work when something comes in that maybe might work. But so I'm probably gonna go the different way. I'm probably just buy it online, honestly. I'm probably just gonna end up buying it online. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching this golden video. I am so excited to get this LS swap started. I'm very nervous because again, I've never done this before. But yeah, we'll keep on looking, and I think in the next week or so, or a few weeks, an engine should be here, and we're gonna LS swap a car. So okay, have an amazing day, guys. Bye.